Hello students, we are doing the fourth unit of maths, that is multiplication, and in previous video we have learned how to multiply a number by 100, 10 and 1000, and we have also learned how to multiply a number by multiples of 10 and 100. Now today we will learn how to multiply two-digit number by two-digit number. Till now we are multiplying a number by one-digit number, but now we will learn how to multiply a number by two-digit numbers. So we have worksheet number 6 based on it. So we'll take the examples of this worksheet only. So here the question is, find the product. Find the product means multiply. We have to multiply and find the answer. First one is 24 multiplied by 17. Now you can see here that we have to multiply two-digit number by two-digit number. And till now we have learned how to multiply by one-digit number. Let us solve it. So here 24 multiplied by 17. Now we will start with ones place. It is one. This is ones place. This is tens place. This is ones. This is tens place. So what we have to do is, first of all, we have to multiply this 24 by ones place, and then this 24 by tens place. Let us see how to multiply. First of all, we will multiply 24 by ones place. What is that ones place? 7. पहले हम 24 को 7 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. कैसे? जैसे हम पहले मल्टीप्लाई करते थे सिंगल डिजिट नंबर से, वैसे ही हमने मल्टीप्लाई करना है. So 24 multiplied by 7. First of all, we will multiply this 7 by a digit at ones place. So what is that digit at ones place? 4. So 7 4s are 28. So we'll write 2 here, that is carry over. Now 7 2s are 14. And 14 plus 2 is 16. We'll write 16 like this. जब हम सिंगल डिजिट नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करते थे तब भी हम ऐसे ही करते थे. पहले हम नंबर को वंस प्लेस से मल्टीप्लाई करते थे, उसके बाद नंबर को टेंस प्लेस से मल्टीप्लाई करते थे. नाउ वी हैव टू डिजिट नंबर. वंस प्लेस से हमने मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया 24 का. नाउ वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई 24 बाय डिजिट एट टेंस प्लेस. सो व्हाट इज एट टेंस प्लेस? दैट इज 1. नाउ 28 को हम किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? 1 से, और यू कैन से 1 tens. Now here what you have to keep it in mind is, whenever we multiply any number by 10 place, or you can say, see here, suppose हम किसी भी नंबर को जब 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं क्या होता है? 24 multiplied by 10. क्या आएगा आंसर हमारा? We have learned 24 लिख के उसके बाद हमारे पास 0 राइट साइड को लगा देंगे. सो हियर आवर आंसर इज 240. दैट मीन्स वंस प्लेस पे हमारा क्या आया? 0. सपोज वी विल डू वन मोर क्वेश्चन. सपोज वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई 13 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 20. व्हाट इज आवर आंसर? सो हम क्या करते हैं? मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं 13 एंड 2 को. 13 एंड 2 को मल्टीप्लाई किया. 13 2 is 26, एंड देन जो 0 है उसको हम राइट साइड में लगा देते हैं. दैट इज 260. सो व्हाट इज एट वंस प्लेस? 0. हम किसी भी नंबर को 5 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 60 सपोज. नाउ व्हाट इज एट टेंस प्लेस? सॉरी वंस प्लेस. 5 6 is 30 and 0 on right side. So what is at ones place? That is 0. So whenever we multiply any number which is at tens place पे हमारे पास कोई नंबर होता है, that means 6 tens, 2 tens, 1 tens. तो what is the digit at ones place? Ones place पे हमेशा हमारे पास क्या आएगा? 0. वंस प्लेस पे हमेशा हमारे पास क्या आता है? 0. सो दैट मीन्स जब भी हम टेंस प्लेस से किसी भी नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो हमारा वंस प्लेस पे क्या आना चाहिए? 0. तो इसलिए हम यहां पर या तो 0 लगा देते हैं या फिर क्रॉस इन एडवांस. सॉल्व करने से पहले ही हम यहां पर 0 लगा देते हैं या फिर एक क्रॉस, कुछ भी आप लगा सकते हैं. क्रॉस भी लगाते हैं, जनरली हम क्रॉस लगाते हैं, बट उसका मतलब भी 0 ही है. सो whenever we start multiplying with tens place, then we will put 0 at ones place. Now start multiplying in the same way as we have multiplied with 7. तो पहले हम 1 को ones place से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 1 4 जा 4 and 1 2 जा 2. So it is 240. Or if you want to write here 24 multiplied by 10, because it is 1 tens, so it is 10. So 24 multiplied by 10 is 240. We have already multiplied 240. So here is the answer, 240. Now in multiplication we add. Addition is our last step. After multiplying by both the digits, that is at ones place and tens place, what we will do? We will lastly add the two products. We will add these two products at last. So add them. 8 plus 0 is 8. 6 plus 4 is 10. 1 carry over. 2 plus 1 is 3 and 3 plus 1 is 4. 408. So this is our answer. I know that it is not clear to you because you are doing it first time. We will do more questions on it. Let us do the second part. Now 86 multiplied by 13. Now 86 multiplied by 13. So here, what is our first step? First step is we have to multiply this 86 by digit at ones place. 86 को हम जो digit ones place पे है उससे multiply करेंगे. So 3 is at ones place. So first of all we will multiply 86 by 3. So 3 6 are 18, carry over 1, and 3 8 are 24 plus 1 is 25. I hope this is clear. This much is first step is clear to everyone. Now, what is our second step? In second step, we have to multiply this 86 by digit at tens place. Digit at tens place. So what is the digit at tens place? 1. So it is 1 tens, that is 10. So when we multiply 86 by 10, what will come at ones place? As I have already discussed in the first question, कि once जब हम tens place से multiply करते हैं तो ones place पे हमेशा और हमेशा क्या आएगा? एक 0. We will write it in advance, or we can also put cross. Generally we put cross as I have told you, और या फिर 0 भी लगा सकते हैं. So ये स्टेप आपने बहुत ध्यान रखना है. जब भी हम टेंस प्लेस से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो वंस प्लेस पे आपने 0 लगा देना है या एक क्रॉस लगा देना है. Now start multiplying with digit at tens place. In the same way as we have multiplied 86 by 3, 1 से पहले वंस प्लेस वाले को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, that is 1 multiplied by 6. So 1 6 जा 6 and then 1 को tens place से 1 8 जा 8. So and what is the third step? So there are 3 steps. First step, multiply 86 by digit at ones place. Then in second step, we will multiply 86 by digit at tens place and put 0 at ones place. And the third step is to add the product of add the two products. इन दो products को add करना हमारा last step है. That is the third step. Add them. 8 plus 0 is 8. 6 plus 5 is 11. 8 plus 2 is 10 and 10 plus 1 is 11. That is 1118. This is the answer. Let us do one more question. Third part. 29 multiplied by 40. 29 multiplied by 40. So multiply it. 29 multiplied by 40. So how many steps are there? 3. What is our first step? To multiply 29 by digit at ones place. So what is the digit at ones place? 0. So that means we have to multiply 29 by 0. 29 को 0 से multiply करेंगे. 0 9 is 0 and 0 2 is 0. Now what is our second step? In second step, we have to multiply this 29 by 4. Second step में हम 29 को 4 से multiply करेंगे. That means digit at tens place. And we will write 0 at ones place. Because I have already told you that जब हम 4 10 से multiply करेंगे तो ones place पे क्या आ जाएगा? 0 और क्रॉस भी लगा सकते हैं आप. So now start multiplying with digit at tens place. So what is the digit? 4. Now 4 को पहले हम ones place से multiply करेंगे, then 4 को हम tens place से. Now 4 9s are 36. So 3 carry over 36. And then 4 को tens place से. 4 2s are 8 and 8 plus 3 is 11. Now what is our next step? First step we have multiplied with ones place. Then in second step we have multiplied with tens place. Digit at tens place. Now what is our third step? In third step we add the two products. जो ये two products हैं इनको हमने क्या करना है? Add करना है, plus करना है. So add them. 0 plus 0 is 0. 6 plus 0 is 6. Then 1 and then 1. 1160. So this is our third step. So that means there are 3 steps in when we multiply 2-digit number by 2-digit numbers. Let us do one more question. (19) multiplied by 43. So 19 multiplied by 43. Yes. So what is our first step? First step is multiply 19 by digit at ones place. So what is the digit at ones place? That is 3. So multiply it. So 3 9s are 27. 2 carry over. Now 3 1s are 3 and plus 2 5. That is 57. Now what is our second step? In second step we have to multiply this 19 by digit at tens place. That means हमें 19 को 4 से multiply करना है. But before multiplying with digit at tens place, what we have to keep it in mind? That we have to write 0 or cross at ones place. So we will write 0 at ones place. So this is very important step. अगर ये आप 0 नहीं लिखेंगे तो आपका आंसर बिल्कुल रॉन्ग होगा. So this you have to keep it in mind. Whenever you multiply a number by 2-digit number and when you multiply it by tens place, then you have to put cross at ones place. Very important. Now we start multiplying with digit at tens place. Now 19 multiplied by 4. So first of all we multiplied 4 by 9. That is digit at ones place. So 4 nines are 36. So we will cut this so that confusion now. 36. 4 ones are 4 and plus 3 is 7. Now what is our third step? थर्ड स्टेप में हम जो ये दो प्रोडक्ट्स हैं हमारे, दैट मीन्स जो वंस प्लेस से मल्टीप्लाई करके प्रोडक्ट आया एंड जो टेंस प्लेस से मल्टीप्लाई करके प्रोडक्ट आया, इन दोनों प्रोडक्ट को हमको ऐड करना है. सो 7 + 0 इज 7, 6 + 5 इज 11 एंड 1 कैरी ओवर, 7 + 1 is 8. So our answer is 817. So in this way you can multiply the 2-digit numbers by 2-digit number. So here you can try to solve the remaining parts of this worksheet और ट्राई करेंगे. अगर बाकी हम कल इनको और प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. थैंक यू.